Hi, for those who wonder how to preview a video in full screen like this in After Effects, thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. It is very easy. For example, this footage. You want to see how it looks like on full screen? All you have to do is press this button on your keyboard. It is usually on your top left side keyboard, and choose 100% for the fit. And there you are. And if you want the best quality, choose full for the quality. And if you want to see it fit on the After Effects layout, choose fit. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!